I am coming to the end of the available video material on spacetime algebra, which means I'm going to have to look for printed material on it. My preferred learning method is to listen and to watch. But I'm going to have to read the rest of this in a book. You know, how I've managed this in the past is to simply read the book out loud and kind of make a lecture out of it for myself. And that works. I can do that. But I'm seeing the videos now that are talking about relative 3 vectors and paravectors. And paravectors are a type of multivector which has a split. You know, it's all summed together to make the multivector. But the split is in the bivector portion of the multivector. And that bivector is split into 2 relative 3 vectors. And each of those quantifies an aspect of electromagnetism. One of them quantifies the electric field, the other the magnetic field, which is a dual of the electric field. And you can switch back and forth between these dualities, because really a magnetic field is simply an electric field from a different point of view, and vice versa. These paravectors naturally also contain a notion of real and imaginary numbers to create complex numbers. The duals are the complex part. The originals, the real. So that brings to the notion of relativity a notion of imaginary numbers, complex numbers, and kind of illuminates how relativity can be thought of in a complex way. When imaginary numbers are introduced, and not just imaginary numbers, but imaginary vectors, that adds many orders of magnitude of possibility for solving problems and for imagining brand new ideas. Opens a huge realm to explore and for discovery. I am very excited to see what I can do with paravectors, both in the sense of communicating with faraway places instantaneously, with perhaps visiting faraway places within a reasonable human amount of time, I'm excited to see what linking these ideas of relativity and quantum mechanics together with paravectors can do. Yeah. I think that today I'm going to upload this this video, the more technical video, before the more spiritual video, and see what that does for the amount of views. It seems like whatever video I upload second is the one that gets the views, and that has generally been the more technical video. You know, like I had one video about the Einstein gravitational field equation and some speculation about using the Ricci tensor versus maybe the Einstein tensor as the central operator in a spacetime algebra. Pretty technical stuff, but of all videos I have uploaded to this channel, that is the one that has gotten the most views. That kind of blew me away. So, another thing that would really help is that if you are seeing these videos, leave a comment. I get a few comments, and that's very nice. And that helps me to plan future videos. Sometimes I can answer questions that are posed in the comments. That helps me to see what sorts of ideas people are interested in. So, like, comment, and subscribe.